Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, but I think you guys are going to like this one. We're going to be decorating for fall in a few areas of the house, very minimal. If you guys are new to my channel, we just moved to this house. We don't have any living room furniture. We're still waiting on the new stuff to come in, so I can't really decorate in there. So I'm gonna just be decorating very minimal, like I always do for fall, in the kitchen and our upstairs TV area and a little bit in the entryway, just giving some areas of the house a little bit more warmth, and I'll show you guys how I do it. Starting off with these stems that I got from Michael's a couple years ago, this set of planters that I got from Walmart.com, and I'm gonna put all the stems in the largest planter, making it as full as possible, and then I'm just gonna leave the smaller one empty. Like I said, I normally keep it really simple for fall, but it's a little bit different this time around because we just moved here and we're still waiting on a bunch of furniture to arrive, and I'm still in the process of planning out how I'm gonna decorate each room or area of the house. So you guys are gonna see a lot of like unfinished, maybe even weird looking spaces, but slowly but surely we're gonna get it together. Next, I'm going to take my dried florals and place them in this vase. It's one of my favorites. I've had this one for years. I'm just cutting them down a little bit shorter, and then I'm going to place them in the vase, play around with it until I get it to where I like it. Almost everything in today's video can be used year-round. It just depends on how you style them and move them around in your home. And so for me, I just like changing out the florals. That's the main thing. And then I'll change up some of the vases and my planters and just kind of move things around to give it a whole new feel. So if you don't really like that traditional fall decor, but you still want to give your space a new cozy feel for fall, try changing up the florals and moving around some of your decor. So when I decorate, I never keep the same thing in one place for a long time. I always move it around. I'm not sure why I'm like that. Let me know down in the comments if you're like that too, but this right here, I love it so much. It's like I said, it's one of my favorites, so I'm gonna put it in the kitchen for now because I spend the most time down here, but who knows if I end up moving it. This needs something next to it, so I'm going to put this riser in this Pottery Barn dupe that I found at the Target dollar spot. I'm not sure I'm liking it right here, so I'm going to switch it out for my willow candle that I got from Target. I love this candle, you guys. It's by Hearth and Hand. It smells so good, and I love that I can repurpose it once I finish burning this candle. This is also by the Fall Hearth and Hand line. It was only like $5, easy to store away if I wanted to, and I think I found a new place for my pumpkin. I'm gonna put all of my gold coffee spoons in here along with my little fall plant. I've never been one to have a huge array of coffee things in my kitchen because we don't use a lot of syrups and things like that, so I like to keep my little coffee area minimal and cute. Another one of my favorite home decor finds, it's a marble tray that I got from Target a while back. I'm going to use this in my kitchen this fall for my salt. I'm going to put some candles that I probably won't burn, taking my fall plant from my little coffee area and putting it here and replacing that little fall plant with a smaller plant that I had already. Maybe I'll replace it with something else fall-like if I go back to Target or wherever, but for now this will do. only gonna style the left side of this console table in the entryway with these really pretty faux florals that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I got the inspiration from Hannah here on YouTube. When I saw her with these flowers or this combo of flowers, I ran and got them. We do plan on replacing this console table with something larger. The other end of it just has a lamp. I use these green stems year round, and I just added them back into this planter along with my fall stems, and I love the arrangement. Upstairs to the kids' TV area where they like to hang out, watch movies, and play games. I'm gonna add a few little touches of fall and coziness in here. All the blankets and pillows are things that I use year round, except for these two pumpkin pillows that I recently found at Target. Obviously, we haven't done anything in this room as far as decor, but I do have some ideas on things that I might want to change or add to this room, so stay tuned. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed if you do want to see a makeover in this room. Now I need to add something to the coffee table. I'm going to take this wicker tray that I got from Walmart a couple years ago, these two amber containers that I'm going to put some faux flowers in, and I got these from Hobby Lobby years ago. Love them. They look so realistic. Then one of my favorite recent purchases are these candle holders. These are really, really heavy. They're sturdy and they're just such good quality. From Hobby Lobby, I highly recommend these. I'm going to be using these year round all over my house. Next, I'm just going to put in one of my favorite fall and winter scents, which is the spiced apple toddy, putting it in the smaller vase. I just love how easy it is to transform the feel of your space just by adding in a fall or winter scent. Guys, this console table is on its last leg. We only had it for maybe a year or two, but it didn't do good with the move, so we are going to probably replace this. But for the time being, I'm going to decorate it just a little bit, adding in some little pumpkins along with some other vintage pieces that I thrifted that are over 100 years old. One is this moonshine jug, and the other is this little container that people used to keep their sewing supplies in years and years and years ago. I love this piece. And then I'm going to add in a bread bowl that I always keep around the house. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.